Xiaomi Redmi A3 teased in certifications, expected to continue the series' light budget legacy. Xiaomi is gearing up to unveil the long-anticipated Redmi A3, the latest addition to its relatively newer series. The device recently appeared on the TDRA certification platform with the model number 23129RN51X. This certification, provided by the Federal Telecommunication Agency in the United Arab Emirates, indicates the phone's imminent debut in the Middle East region. Further bolstering the expectations, the Redmi A3 left markings on the NVTC certification in Thailand and the EEC certification in Europe. The documents affirmed the smartphone's moniker and hinted at global availability with support for 2G, 3G, and 4G connectivity. While these certifications build anticipation, they have kept the detailed specifications under wraps. Taking a quick look back at the Redmi A2 specifications, the community expects a myriad of improvements from the successor A3. For context, the current Redmi A2 sports a 6.52-inch IPS LCD screen and runs on the MediaTek Helio G36 chipset. The phone, designed for everyday use, accommodates up to 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. Additionally, the new Xiaomi budget mobile has flexibility with an added memory card slot. The Redmi A2 handles photography with a single 8MP rear camera and a 5MP front camera. The device includes a 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging, a 3.5mm audio jack, and an old standard micro USB 2.0 port that caps the charging speed to 10W. With the impending Xiaomi Redmi A3, modest upgrades are anticipated, aligning with the series' sub-entry level status. While specifics are yet to unravel, enthusiasts hope for improvements in multiple categories, including a transition to USB Type-C from the micro USB 2.0 port in its predecessor. Xiaomi might opt for a launch timeline between February and March, mirroring the release schedule of its forerunner. As teasers and details emerge, the Redmi A3 is poised to continue Xiaomi's legacy of delivering budget-friendly devices with satisfactory specifications.